family, Sabrina, spiritual medium, intuitive life coach. I want to teach you something. I love teaching, okay? That's my favorite. I want to teach you something. I want to teach you how to make your own pendulum, or this is how I do it. Everyone has their own way. A pendulum can be a beautiful addition to your spiritual journey. Most pendulums are generally crystal, although they don't have to be. This was my first pendulum. It was a Celtic knot. I think I probably got that at a craft store, and I stuck it on a ribbon. Now, again, everyone does it differently, but what I would suggest to do is once you make your pendulum, wear it. I wear mine. This is a gift from my bestie. She has one just like that. And make sure that it's long enough that it reaches your heart brain. It's kind of where the Tibetans used to tuck their mudras, and prayers in. And what you want to do, and the reason they use crystals is because crystals contain energy, but everything contains energy. You contain energy. This contains energy. Everything contains energy. So wear it around your neck for a couple of weeks. Allow it to gather your personal energy, especially if you're going to use it, to answer questions, which is why most people use pendulums, right? After a couple of weeks, you don't need to have a fancy pendulum paper. Just get a blank piece of paper, draw a circle, write yes on top, yes on the bottom, no on each side, and ask a question. Have your elbow stable on a table as you're holding your pendulum over the circle where you have your yes and no answers, and just stay as calm and still as possible if you can. Basically, it's your higher self that is answering the questions that you're asking. And like I said, my mother used to take hers to the grocery store, which I think is a little extreme, but whatever. Hey, if you're not sure about something, you know what? Take your pendulum along. That's what I do at times. Although over time you will begin to trust your intuitive hunches and you won't really so much rely on this. But they are fun and they are accurate. And I remember teaching a class about 20 years ago, and one young guy just was absolutely skeptical. And I said, okay, ask a question mentally and allow me to answer the question. He was quite surprised when the pendulum was indeed accurate about the answer. Anyway, Pendulums 101. They're a lot of fun, and I hope you had a lot of fun watching this. Have a great day.